Hi everyone. I'm here to show you how to use the parking feature within the ConnectUC app. Park is a simple way to place a caller on hold for someone else in an organization to pick up that call. So while on a live call, you can simply press the park key, which will then present you with multiple parking slots. Also the auto park feature here, which will allow the system to automatically park this call in an open park slot. As you can see from here, 701, 2, 3 are all open, and 4 is occupied. So you cannot place a caller here on Park 4. So we're going to place a call on Park 1, and the next window will show you where the call is parked and how to pick up that call if you wish to use your star code. That's it. Call's parked at 701. This window will automatically close. And if we wanted to go ahead and pick that call back up, you can simply use the park feature on the left-hand side, parking, and it'll open up all the park slots. So you'll see that you have this user here or this phone number here parked on park 1 and this number here parked on park 4. So you'll be able to easily identify which caller you want to pick up. So from here, I'm going to pick up park 1 again, and I'll be automatically reconnected to that call, and caller ID will be presented to me, and I'll be able to resume this call, or anybody in the organization will be able to resume this call. That's it. Thank you for watching.